Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Steam purchase failed error on your Steam application. Now, the major issue that is causing that error is the VPN that you have enabled in the background. Although by mistakenly it can be enabled. So, in order to find it, if there's any VPN running on the background, just simply click on this option that says Show Hidden Icons and make sure that there's no VPN application running in the background, or if let's say if I show you that I have this software that is Prodon VPN, make sure that any kind of VPN is not working on the background. You can right click on the task manager, and in here the task manager you can find the processes to make sure that any VPN application is not running in the background. Once you close any of the VPN application running in the background, just simply restart your Steam again and try to purchase the game again, and you'll notice that this time your issue will definitely get solved. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.